Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to schedule emails in Gmail for different time zones. Okay, so I'll be doing this from the desktop browser. Before you look at the send button, we have to address the major trap. Gmail's scheduling clock strictly uses your own local system time zone. It does not automatically know or adjust for your recipient's location. So for example, if you are in the Eastern Europe and want an email to arrive at a crisp 9 a.m. in New York, you have to do a quick offset calculation. So New York is 7 hours behind your current clock in this particular case. That means to make it land at 9 a.m. their time, you need to schedule it for 4 p.m. your time. So pop open a quick world clock like this. Okay, you can just go here. If you need to double check the math, just get your target location local time logged in and head back to the compose window. And then guys, you just press on compose. Instead of just pressing send, click on this drop down arrow to see more send options. Then you choose schedule send. And then as you can see, specify the recipient like that. And now as you can see, you can just choose the preset ones or just pick date and time from here. Use this little calendar that pops up, and as you can see, you can type in the precise date of day, month, and of course time. That is it. Easily done, guys. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe.